and today we have a huge problem. The tire is flat, and I'm going to teach all the moms how to change the tire. The first thing we have to do is put the red triangle at the back of the car. I'm going to take out the jack. Take it out. And kids, this looks like a genie lamp because the genie comes out of here. Just once again, this is the wheel spanner and this is the jack. Show you? This is the jack. First we have to loosen the nuts. You take the wheel spanner and you turn it anti-clockwise. I'm going to put the jack under the car. I'm going to twist it a little clockwise. I'm going to turn. Now I'm taking off the nuts. The nut is off. I'm taking off the wheel. The spare wheel is ready to go on. I'm pushing the spare wheel on and then I'm going to put on the nuts. Remember, we're turning it clockwise. First, we're going to tie the top one, then the bottom one, and then the rock. We're lowering the car and then we've done. That was easy, guys, and that's how you change a tire. I hope you like our video. Bye!